So it's our first class, and we're starting preparation for Oxford test. And definitely, we will be discussing those old topics which are being repeated. And second part, and apart from that, we will also be discussing all the pictures, all the techniques, all the strategy to apply on your speaking. What happens that most of the students they are quite good at speaking, but when it comes to speak in front of the examiner, they fail and they get very low marks. So in this preparation class, I'll be sharing every strategy, and I'll be taking mock tests that I can polish your skills in order to perform well in a real test. So the first thing you really need to understand is to know the method, the parts of ELLT to what we also call oietc test. So ELLT, it has four parts in speaking. How many parts does it have?
Four parts.
Four parts. Now, the first thing you have to be crystal clear, you have to be crystal clear is in the past, what would happen that you would be given a topic, presentation topic on the time when you would be booking your speaking. But now that the format has been changed, now what happens that you will be given a topic before the interview starting time, like that would be 15 minutes before. So you are supposed to be very, very sharp-minded to have to read the presentation and to collect different kind of ideas and information. And I'll be teaching you how can you do those things, right? It has four parts. The first one is introduction. In introduction, there are different kind of question are asked, which we will be doing at our in our full-fledged classes. The first, they would be asking you your full name, address. Then they will be asking you about uh, passport, room. Why do you want to go to the UK? Why do you want to go to the UK? Which university have you selected? What do you do? What is your hobby? When was your LWR conducted? So there would be different kind of questions, right? Like roundabout, we will be tackling 15 to 20 questions in this part. Then we have the second part. Yes, introduction is under speaking. It is, I'm talking about speaking. Obviously, I'm having conversation regarding speaking, right? Okay. Second part, words there, and second part, you will be given presentation. And presentation, you will be given, you would be said to discuss it for from 3 to 5 minutes. and presentation topic will be given to you before 15 minutes of the interview starts. Our speaking module starts, right? Then the third part would be essay. Which one essay? The essay which you have submitted in your LWR, right? आपको वो essay के बारे में पूछा जाएगा जो कि आपने LRW में submit किया हो. What kind of questions will be there? So there are numerous questions. Like the first, they may ask you about words, meanings. Secondly, they ask you about summary of the essay. They may pick up a paragraph. And ask you to define, to have a little bit conversation regarding that. They may ask you from where did you pick up the contents. आपने इनके आंसर किस तरह देने हैं? I'll be guiding you. What was the most interesting or attractive point? What was the most interesting or attractive point in your essay? If you had more time, would you write something apart from it? So these kind of questions will be asked to you. And which one part? Guys?
Yes, sir.
These kind of questions will be asked to you in your third part and third section, right?
Right.
Okay. Right. Then we have the last one. The last one is picture. In picture, what happens and what's there? In picture, they'll give you a picture where you're supposed to look at for 15 seconds. अब ये वाला पार्ट जो है ना, ये वेरी करता है. इस तरह ये हर टीचर पे डिपेंड करता है. हाउ? इसमें ऐसा होता है कि एक टीचर आ जाते कि आपको 15 सेकंड्स दे रहे थे और कहते कि यू हैव टू लुक एट द पिक्चर एंड देन डिस्क्राइब द पिक्चर एंड देन एट द एंड दे स्टार्ट आस्किंग क्वेश्चन. अब एक ऐसा टीचर भी होता है कि वो कहता है कि लेट्स हैव अ डिस्कशन ओवर इट. लाइक यू लुक एट द पिक्चर, you judged it, then he will start asking you question. वो question like it would be cross questioning. वो आपसे question करेंगे, you have to answer them. So इनके इस तरह दो किस्म हैं. So you have to make it sure कि आपको इस चीज का अंदाजा हो. और इन दोनों के बारे में मैं आप लोगों को डिटेल में पढ़ाऊंगा. अगर आपका अभी कोई क्वेश्चन हो regarding this process, these methods, these parts which I taught you, so your questions are welcome. Yes. इनसे एक स्क्रीनशॉट भी ले लें क्योंकि ये फॉर्मेट है.
Sir, after essay, we will have to discuss the picture.
Yes, after essay, that would be the last part, and where you will be having conversation, discussion over a picture. We will be
Sir,
discussing.
why we will discuss essay?
Sorry?
Why will we will discuss the essay in speaking?
Actually, they want to know whether the essay which you have written and reality, is it written by you or by someone else? So that is why they are checking that the content you have put, you have command over it or not. Sorry? Yes, any other question?
So Sir, I have a question.
Yes, you can.